Today, we're going to share 5 creative and easy ideas to make your HOA newsletter more engaging and valuable for your community. An HOA newsletter is a powerful communication tool. It helps build a sense of connection and unity. But let's be honest, sometimes it's hard to keep it interesting, and some residents may even say it's boring or pointless. So how can you make it more fun and helpful without spending hours writing it? Let's dive into 5 smart tips. 1. Involve residents. Creating interesting content takes time. Instead of doing it all yourself, invite residents to contribute. Ask them to share jokes, poems, photos, recipes, or inspirational quotes. It might take a while to get people involved, but over time, more residents will join in, and your newsletter will feel more personal and vibrant. Chapter 2. Support local businesses. Use the newsletter to promote small local businesses. Many are still recovering from the pandemic and inflation. Recommending nearby shops, restaurants, and services not only helps them, but also strengthens community ties. 3. DIY tips and life hacks. Share everyday tips that are useful to residents. Think gardening advice, tech tricks, energy-saving tips, or tax info. Over time, your newsletter can become a go-to resource full of practical knowledge. 4. Feature a resident. Everyone has a story to tell. Highlight one resident in each issue. It's a great way to bring people closer and celebrate the diversity and richness of your community. 5. Highlight local events. Every week, people ask, "What should we do this weekend?" Why not answer that in your newsletter? Share upcoming festivals, markets, and even online events. This is especially helpful for seasonal residents or those new to the area. Bonus tip: ask for feedback. Want to improve your newsletter? Ask residents what they think. Feedback helps you understand what's working and what could be better, and may bring new ideas too. Encourage residents to contribute their own insights and experiences, transforming the newsletter into a valuable resource for everyone. Stories are powerful tools for connection and inspiration. As Pawan Kumar said, "We, humans, are social creatures, and we are attracted to stories. Everyone has a story, and everyone loves a great story. It gives us a reason to communicate and engage." A great newsletter is clear, informative, and creative. Use it to build trust and community spirit. And if you want to make it even easier, try using Neigbrs by Vinteum, a tool that simplifies HOA communications and newsletter sharing. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights. See you next time!